It's important to set up games for yourself and for others in life because a game keeps you going. You will find that I enter some competitions which are in line with my profession and then other ones which are not quite so in line with my profession. You'll find that annually I enter a modeling pageant. I'm not the best model in the world, but I'll tell you what. You will find that each year I'm not quite as fat as my peers. And thusly, one can see that my reason for entering pageants, or my reason for not being fat, is I enter pageants. Do you see? I'm trying to find a natural bodybuilding thing in my small town in Africa, but I'll tell you what, I haven't found it yet. So I don't have an intensive exercise motivation, but I'll tell you what, a slimming motivation I do have. A dressing up motivation I do have. And a keeping myself primed, smooth skin, so on and so forth, I do have. Keeping very good pictures of myself, I do have. And maintaining or learning social etiquette in particular ways, I do have a reason for it, a mini game, if you will. I am not the type of person where I can exercise for all my life and at the age of 89 understand that, oh, wow, this is the goal of exercise, to have had a full and healthy life. I'm not motivated enough, or I'm not motivated enough by that 89-year goal. I need a goal which is shorter term. Same thing can apply for whatever skill set you're trying to master, whatever thing you're trying to maintain in your life, whatever thing you're trying to get better at. If you would like to make more money, I'll tell you what, a brilliant motivation is if you enter an award show or target an award show and communicate to them that I want to enter your award show at the beginning of the year for business growth. I'll tell you what, the competitor in you, the spirit of competition, the gamer in you, the seeker of victory, seeker of glory in you, the achiever of greatness in you will activate. And this is the way that you can hack your motivation. If you want to get motivated, of course there's like various areas, but I'm only giving you the ones that I can see. If you want to get motivated to become better at, let's say, bricklaying, if you're a bricklayer, do you see, within construction, if let's say you want to get better at whatever it is you want to get better at, all you need to do is set up a game for yourself. It's important for yourself in terms of motivation to set up big games and small games, but also real games. I'm only saying enter an award show or enter a competition because I'm a competitor. But if you're not a competitor, like, understand that there are different variants of games, but always it is a game. You're setting a timer, you're setting freedoms, barriers, and purposes. These are the components of a game. And you need to set this up to keep life going and to control life force and life energy. The reason why it's important in a group setting is groups which have targets, groups which have games do better than groups which do not have targets and do not have games. Groups where they have award shows or award statuses, employee of the month, so on and so forth, do better in terms of motivation than those that do not, because the element of having the game, the element of games, is a motivational element to humanity. Should you be the president of the country, the idea is then to set a game or various games, but the idea is to implement a game that can get the nation to get behind you and to move forward with your present day direction, your present day motivation. And that's the essence of it. A game keeps a person entertained, but also keeps a person occupied and directs their energy. This includes you and everyone you work with. And should you become very good at creating games, you'll never have a motivation problem, you'll never have an energy direction problem in life. How good can you set up a game? This will determine your power in life. Notice that Facebook is somewhat a game in itself, and we have our youngest billionaire from it. It is a game of social status. Status signaling in terms of posting pictures. Of course, there's memory keeping, so on and so forth, but status signaling, a game of news emission, right? Good news in your life, maybe bad news in your life. And a game of interconnection, an ability to say hi to your relatives, an ability to keep connections going. All of this is within the game called Facebook. And the creation of this game and good enough principles within it is what makes Mark Zuckerberg a billionaire. Do you see? It's about creating a good